Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the top 5 diets that are known to help clear up your skin. I know firsthand how frustrating it can be to deal with acne, blemishes, and other skin issues, and finding the right diet can make a huge difference in your skin's appearance. Before we get into the list, it's important to note that everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. That being said, these diets have been shown to be effective for many people in improving their skin, and are definitely worth a try if you're struggling with skin issues. Without further ado, here are the top 5 diets for clear skin. Number 1. The Low-Glycemic Index Diet. This diet is based on the idea that foods with a high glycemic index, meaning they cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, can contribute to acne and other skin issues. By focusing on foods with a low glycemic index, such as vegetables, nuts, and whole grains, you can help keep your blood sugar levels stable and improve your skin's appearance. Number 2. The plant-based diet. A plant-based diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and has been shown to be effective in improving skin health. Plant-based foods are high in antioxidants, which can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, and they're also low in unhealthy fats, which can contribute to acne. Number 3. The Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is known for its focus on healthy fats, such as olive oil, nuts, and avocados, as well as plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. This diet has been shown to be effective in reducing inflammation, which can help improve skin health. Number 4. The low-dairy diet. While dairy products are a good source of calcium and other nutrients, they can also contribute to acne and other skin issues. Limiting your intake of dairy or switching to non-dairy alternatives, such as almond milk or soy milk, can help improve your skin's appearance. Number 5. The gluten-free diet. For people with celiac disease or a gluten intolerance, a gluten-free diet is essential for good health. However, even if you don't have these conditions, going gluten-free can still be beneficial for your skin. Some people have found that eliminating gluten from their diet has helped improve their acne, eczema, and other skin issues. So there you have it, the top 5 diets for clear skin. If you're struggling with skin issues, give one of these diets a try and see if it makes a difference for you. Remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet, and to make sure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care.